Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello cards with checklists and due dates. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Open the Trello board where you want to update your cards. Locate the card that you want to edit. Click on the card to open it. In the card view, look for the checklist option on the right side. Click on Add Checklist to create a new checklist. Type in a name for your checklist and click Add Checklist again. Now, you can enter individual items into your checklist. Type the first item and hit Enter to add it. Continue adding items until your checklist is complete. To set a due date, scroll down to the Due Date section in the card view. Click on Due Date and select a date from the calendar. Choose a time if you want to specify it further. Click Save to confirm your due date. You can also set reminders for your due date by selecting the Reminder option. Once you've added your checklist and due date, click Close to return to the main board. Your card will now display the checklist and the due date you added. To check off items in your checklist, open the card again and click the checkbox next to each item. This keeps your tasks organized and up to date. You can return to the card at any time to add or edit checklists and due dates as necessary. This method helps you stay on top of your tasks efficiently. Now you are ready to manage your Trello cards with checklists and due dates effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.